Welcome back everyone to another Great Lakes treasure hunting episode. Today we are back here in Ashtabula. We're at the beautiful Walnut Beach for another beach glass adventure. So sit back, relax, and as always, don't forget to subscribe for more travel content. Alright guys, you guys can see why I love this beach so much. It is so serene. Alright guys, let's take a look by this big piece of driftwood over here. See, here's a little tiny beach glass piece. There's also a lot of seashells today, as you guys can see. Little shell fragments. Go put that in the bag here. Continue our journey along the beach. Alright guys, I got a couple pieces of amber right here. These are the nicest ones I've found so far. Big pieces. Oh my gosh, look at this big white piece. Probably my best one now. Look at that. Gorgeous. Oh, here we go. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Trying to take a look here. I've been finding some decent size. Oh, here we go. See a little shell. Really nice pieces over here. Beautiful color scheme there. Just kind of looking along the edge here. Oh look, I think we got an agate. Beautiful caramel color. Gorgeous. All right guys, we're going in. Oh, it's nice. Water's very refreshing today. All right, guys, let's go. Oh, man. I got water in my ear. All right, here's my dad. What do you think?
Lake Erie in August, it's beautiful. The water's perfect.
What do you think of Walnut Beach today?
Beautiful today. It's pretty crowded.
It is. So yeah, we really didn't find that much beach glass today, but it really wasn't a beach glass day. We're pretty much just up here to relax, and that's definitely what it is today. Is a relaxing day. Water's perfect. What would you say the water temp is?
Oh, it's got to be
75?
Yeah.
Beautiful.